mano mar siro manufacturers kata mana jogo eko maloso mwandu pacho ka neno kata mana kaka chumbe ka wuok e pinje maoko ni dwaro medo osuru e wigi e kinde mamoko king'iyo kata mana diapers mago gik ma nyithindo rwako ka ineno ka na mawuok oko ni dwa medi mar mondo mi gi promote indo gima niwacho ni kembe ma pacho ka hinya kaka mag pamba gini ka no dhi motho e kinde mamoko aparo ni dwaro nitiere Bernard en mana ni koro luasi bendo yie luasi mar ohala e pacho kae bende biro bedo ka siro kata mana investors kata mana ma pacho ka joket mwandu ma pacho kae
Sharon gima ng'iyo okoneka kuma tigi moro ma iluongo ni mano biro mar government ma implement sani the medium term revenue strategy ma bedo push gi World Bank to ineno ka it's like overshadow gine mono the national tax policy ma bedo bedo approved gi parliament ntiere ne temo set up some criteria ma itiyogo in taxation mondo tax environment onego bedo stable and predictable. Yeah. Businesses mang'eny oheroga they like that stability not to predictability over a period of time mondo kichigero gigene mondo kaketo investment mana again within the next 5 years also tax madhe churen kama moko bende kawuono chulo kama kinyi oloke kama neno to ma is applicable both for investors madhe oko kata investors man locally kata locally bende ka Kenya kai ntie tej bende koro ntie gi nyawacho ni maybe they've got idle let me use that word idle capital in the sense ni en gi pesa to gidwa invest ngeje gineno ni environment is not conducive for investment so they prefer to get pesa gigo either in offshore or we get pesa gigo in other items but konyalo bedo gi a predictable taxable regime maong'eyo ni iga my tax mondo bende chulo ka it's supposed to be increased or reviewed after this kind of time to bedo gimong'ere that way bo bedo mayot ne serikal mondo tim ang'ono planning over medium term or long term as opposed to this gide mo bedo sani ni maido ni iga ka iga wabedo gi this finance bill or introduce changes ma cause disruption in the economy kono an kuom pacha mane one thing manyalo spur economic development mondo encourage the local both local and foreign FDI foreign direct investment mondo bi or invest kech mane ka mi chako go mondo chumi no bedi nyalo grow yeah so we need to look at the domestic factories manufacturing gimo nyalo loso kata ka agriculture let's go beyond just the raw products how do we add value a products go mondo fetch better prices kata ko the international market kono magi gimano
mondo kata mana kaka kahawa samoro bende ywak bende osebedo ni ntiere piny Kenya ka waloso kahawa kwa tere pinje maoko ichaki loso gi ichaki duogo no pacho kat wacha konyeo gi nengo mamalo to wan uso gi nengo mogonyore
value addition majo wacho
value addition
kono itiyo kod products give as more of raw or semi raw products konyo ke madhi loso gi better koro kendo gidugo koni
tiuso nengo mamalo
koro mago gin gik ma wanyalo kokong'i to nyalo konyo e wach ma ginego another point mane wacho ni kotemo ng'iyo ni gik ma wadhi lose seche ma wathrow wawito finance kaka kusani ko use finance act 2023 or finance bill 2024 kaka no wacho ni it's a proposal ma bendo no be introduced kaka she has talked about transfer pricing is another good area sani kod ng'eny nyocha bintie additional proposal manyo gin go finance bill manyo olwarne mare nancy gin manyo giwacho ni minimum top up tax for multinationals ma transact within the digital space in the Kenya okene kama chuloga again they introduced that digital I don't know digital service tax but still tema kuma one still escaping the kind of what they're paying vis-a-vis gine magi make profits magi make koro you can take that proposal mondo ongeni whatever you're paying kind less than 15% to itimo some top up mago ways my baby government they do additional revenue because these are now multinational to give operate in many countries to unyalo track the kind of the income magi loss within the country. Kwa the Finance Act 2023 manyocha wetcha, of course there are those given wacho ni maybe the konyo japiny in terms of reduction kaka mwacho cha mar fuel cha, but of course the implementation mar konyo kaka ditime mar VAT mano be levied on petroleum products from 8% to 16%.
Mabene japiny na gino ni dibedo fuongruok nikech koro ka doho no satiche oko.
To kona ka gigo
mo government implement.
To kunyalo is also tricky. Mono kita tatma you ka giro already no setem you know sebedo set up the systems again. Nyaka make some kind of implementation period. Yeah, to be fair, because again kata could make changes. I don't know whether that was provided for in that ruling, but there should be some implementation period to change from this to the other proposed regime. A good example, like for instance, in the Finance Act 2023, no reduce, for instance, the rental income. Those were below odd residential, below 15 million. It used to be 10%. It used to be 10%. To currently 7.5%. So does it mean now is it going to go back to 10%? Again, they need this suffer taxpayers.
Actually, akiani jok ma dhi file kawuono tarik 20 gidhi tiyo gago gidhi tiyo gi 7.5 koso gidhi tiyo gi 10.
Yeah, those are the kind of things even us as tax consultants, we are really finding it difficult to us to some of our clients. There's a lot of those uncertainties. Yeah, and then of course the act also had introduced digital asset tax. Digital asset tax. Kataka waweyo mimi waweyo jo matindo jo media hilo nango jo creators hilo content creators matindo game but see the others
TikTok, Facebook,
yeah, but
YouTube,
who are having digital assets, cryptocurrencies, which are there and with very high values. Yeah. The question has been
content creators. Do crypto go begin content
creators? Digital, no.
Because I'm digital
digital. And then they say they get transact in form of, how do I call it? Those cryptocurrencies digitally to get end wealth, end pass, and kind of nini. Talking a proper way of taxing them. It will be like if I make income through that process, okay, be taxed. Maybe a team or other the normal transactions with tax. So it will be kind of unfair. But the Act 2023 not able to introduce that tax on that on the digital assets. Koromaga things we are likely to lose in terms of revenue collection. And many more along here.
Ka eng'iyo kata